Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where you will learn everything about making easy passive income online. My name is Oscar. I'm a full-time nurse here in California, and I love side hustles. If you're interested in creating multiple streams of income, then this is the perfect channel for you, so please subscribe below. Let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about Binance and how you can make so much passive income online with this program. So what is Binance? Well, Binance is a crypto exchange software where you can buy and sell crypto in minutes. It's one of the world's largest crypto. They sell everything from BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chiliz, Filecoin, Cardano, and a lot more. Basically, it's a trading software on your phone where you could buy and sell crypto. It's available on the App Store, Google Play, Android, all different types of phones. They also have a blog, but this is where you actually can trade. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can make easy passive income using Binance, okay? But before we get started, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's going to help me out greatly. So, how can you make a lot of money with Binance? Really simple. Use the power of YouTube. Cryptocurrency has a lot of news every single day, and a channel like Altcoin Daily goes over the daily news, and that's all he kind of does. He just gives his opinion and what's going on in the crypto space. Crypto right now is not making a lot of money in terms of CPM on YouTube, but you can make a lot of easy money with affiliate marketing. Let me show you how. Okay. So Altcoin Daily has around 884,000 subscribers right now on YouTube, and he makes videos every single day. But that's not where he makes most of his money. He makes most of his money through affiliate links. So they have tons of, he makes money through Patreon, but this is where he makes a lot of money from. Ledger, Swan Bitcoin, Cash App, Coinbase, to Open IRA, these are all affiliate programs, and he makes a lot of money from those programs, okay? All you gotta do is make videos every single day, promote different types of affiliate networks, affiliate programs, and you can get paid. If we look at the Binance affiliate program, join the Binance affiliate program, you're gonna be earning up to 50% lifetime commissions on every qualified trade. If you look at his channel, he has over 884,000 subscribers. He's making a video every single day, over 100,000 views for every single video. And whenever someone clicks on his link for Binance, for example, and they go trade on Binance, he's going to be earning 50% of their commission forever, as long as they are buying through Binance. That is a lot of money. He's probably pulling in around 1 million views per month minimum. And if only 10% of those guys convert into Binance and start using their platform to trade, he's going to be making 50% lifetime commissions. If you want to join the Binance affiliate program, all you got to do is apply and fill out a short form. The Binance affiliate program lets you share your unique referral link with audience to earn up to 50% commission on every qualified trade. Users who signed up for a Binance account using your unique referral link will automatically be attributed to be a successful referral. You'll receive commission on every trade your referral makes across Binance Spot, futures, margin trading, and even Binance Pool. You're going to be making a lot of money this way. If you don't know how affiliate marketing works, let me show you right now. Affiliate marketing is fairly simple. You are an affiliate, okay? You're going to be promoting a product or service on your website like Instagram, YouTube, things of that nature. Whenever someone clicks and converts, you will get paid. In terms of this Binance program, you're going to be getting paid 50% lifetime commissions. And you know what? Cryptocurrency is on the rise. It's what everyone talks about these days because there's a lot of money in it. If you don't like trading crypto, then you could just promote programs like this. So customer clicks on your affiliate links, the conversions are tracked automatically by the program like Binance, and Binance will be paying you an affiliate commission every time someone clicks on your link. Now, the only problem is, how are you going to get views? How are you going to get people to click your link? Now, all you got to do is start a YouTube channel. It's fairly easy. All you got to do is talk about the news. You don't even need to convert a lot of people. All you got to do is be consistent each and every day. Make a little video, about what's going on in the crypto space, promote one particular program like Binance, and you're going to be making 50% lifetime commissions on every qualified trade. That is a lot of money. There's also tons of different programs that you could promote like Prime XBT, BitMEX, Bitpanda, Bybit, so much crypto. You could even promote like Trezor, which is a wallet for holding your cryptocurrency. If you don't want to do it this way, there's also a different way where you can make money online. You can go to something like ClickBank. ClickBank is a marketplace for tons of different affiliate programs ranging from entertainment, jobs, computers, cooking, e-business, e-marketing, education, employment, jobs. Every single niche has an affiliate program. Even Walmart, Amazon, CVS, Walgreens, Target, all those have affiliate programs as well. The world runs on affiliate programs, okay? How can you make money with ClickBank? I feel like it's honestly a lot easier than Binance because look at this. You're going to be making $3,000 every single time you convert somebody into buying this program, the Bots Live Trading Room. With this one, Handsome Guy Secrets, you're going to be making $1,347 per conversion. All you got to do is promote these products, promote this thing on a blog, your Instagram page, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, you name it, and you can make money. Everybody knows Tai Lopez, right? The 67steps.com. You're going to be making $1,295 in US money every single time someone clicks on that link, and you don't even need to make the product. You don't even need to make that video. You don't even need to make that software. All you got to do is push people to buy that particular program. Fairly simple. If you look at this one, the online marketplace classroom, up to $748 per sale. You're going to be making $1,256. Lottery Winner University, top converter made by real 7-time lottery winner. You're going to be making $1,237 per conversion. If you look at cryptocurrency, for example, you could even do crypto vaults. You're going to be getting paid $21 per conversion, which is not that much, but it's still better than a lot of these affiliate programs. You could do Victor Crypto. You're going to be making $42 per conversion whenever someone clicks your link, and you don't even need to do anything. All you got to do is tell people to click the link below, and that's it. They could promote your product. All you got to do is make videos consistently, get that customer, click your link. This one is $209 per conversion. That is a lot of money. If you want a full tutorial on how you can get started with affiliate marketing today really easily, all you got to do is click my link below. It's going to take you to a video on how you can get started today for very, very cheap. All you got to do is enter your first name, last name, and your best email address. You're going to get instant access, and you're going to learn how you can go from point A to point Z with affiliate marketing and make full-time passive income online. That is it for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Peace